Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to a ramen museum in Shin, Yokohama, which is located just outside of Tokyo, Japan. It is a very popular and unique museum about the Japanese noodles, and also because their claim on the website really fascinated me, that you can try ramen from around Japan without boarding a plane. How does that sound? I think pretty good. Let's get the tickets and then check it out. Because of COVID-19, everywhere a temperature scan is compulsory. はい、こんにちは。As you enter, there is a huge collection of ramen magazines on display in order to demonstrate how ramen has been playing an essential role in Japanese food culture for a long time. This floor has a lot of information about the ramen history too. It's a great place to know more about it and its variations. Talking about variations, there is a cool display of the different types of ramen here, isn't it? Next to it is the ramen souvenir shop that had all kinds of souvenirs related to ramen like bowl, chopsticks and some ramen themed erasers. I did end up buying something and I thought this stuff was really cool here. Museum is spread over 3 floors. We are on the ground floor and the other 2 floors are in the basement. Now to the next level. This is where things get interesting. It is themed as the old town of Tokyo from the post-war period, and visitors can enjoy the nostalgic atmosphere with an old-style bar and a few shops to buy traditional snacks and food. The interior of the museum is in a classic Japanese Showa style, what Japan used to look like in the mid 20th century. Not that I was present then, but I still felt nostalgic. There are also movie theater alleys that will make you think you have slipped back in time as you would walk around. I think this is the highlight of this museum where everything seems to have time traveled. The whole museum works as a time machine where you can escape to future and past and feel nostalgic. The second floor in the basement is the food court, or you can also call it as ramen court, where you can step into 9 different ramen stores, not only from various regions of Japan but also from overseas. Every shop has a vending machine to order, and then ticket can be presented inside the shop to get the ramen. You'll be happy to know that there is an English language on these vending machines too. So it's pretty easy to order here. I chose a spicy shoyu ramen.
Please insert money. Please wait. The ticket is now printed. Please take your ticket and change.
If you're going to try different types of ramen bowls here, you can also get a small bowl, but I was not planning to do that, so I am going for the regular size because I'm pretty hungry. My order just arrived. It has bamboo shoots, chicken, soy broth and noodles and a nori sheet to top it all. All the ingredients I love and it looks just perfect. It was so good, and it did not take much time for me to finish my bowl of heaven. Now I was craving something sweet, so after a little mooching around the shops, I went upstairs to this cool ice cream bar that was so tiny but still looked so cool, and I just loved it. I ordered their famous soft serve ice cream that had some crispies on them. Strangely, they tasted so good. Arigatou gozaimasu. You can see a wide range of ramen bowls here. Only selected ramen shops can be showcased at Yokohama Ramen Museum, and every 3 to 12 months, new shops come to replace others. That means the only very best of ramen stores can open their shops in this museum. So I'm done with my food and dessert, but not without mooching around the Shin Yokohama area. I have always loved eating noodles as a child and even as an adult. So ramen has been my favorite dish to try in Japan apart from sushi. It is only 5 to 6 minute walk from the Shin Yokohama station. If you're a fan of football, there is also a Nissan Stadium here. Fastest train Shinkansen goes from Shin Yokohama. I have not been on that train so far, but I would love to try it as soon as possible. If you're around Tokyo or Yokohama, do visit this museum. And if you're in Japan, don't forget to try the fastest train Shinkansen. Today was quite fun. This place is quite reasonable and a good place to have lunch too. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and thank you so much for coming along on these adventures. I have been loving them. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next video.